Welcome to our channel. In this beginner-friendly guide, we'll walk you through every step needed to log into your Canva for Teams account and get started with team collaboration. Effortlessly welcome to our channel. This guide is designed to help beginners access their Canva for Teams account quickly. And without confusion, first open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Next, type in www.canva.com in the address bar and press enter once the Canva homepage loads. Look for the login button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the login button. To reveal the login options, you will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Canva for Teams account. Make sure you input the email exactly as registered. After entering your email, click Continue or Next. Then, you'll need to enter your password. Be cautious to type it correctly because passwords are case sensitive. If you are unsure about your password, you can select the Forgotten Password link to create a new one. After entering your password, click the Login or Submit button and wait for the system to authenticate your details. Upon successful login, the Canva dashboard for your team will appear. This dashboard allows you to access shared designs, projects, and templates tailored for your team's collaboration needs. If you are logging in for the first time, you might be asked to verify your identity through an email confirmation or two-factor authentication, which can be completed by following the instructions sent to your registered email account. Now you are fully logged in and ready to explore Canva for Teams with features that support real-time collaboration, cloud storage, and easy sharing of your design works. Whenever you finish your work, remember to sign out, especially when using a public or shared device, to keep your account secure. This entire login process is straightforward, and with practice will become second nature. Feel free to explore additional account settings or reach out to Canva support. You encounter any issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this guide helpful.